What we have here is a chain drive garage door opener, and the chain is very loose. I'll try to zoom in on that. It's hanging down, and what we'll do is go ahead and adjust the slack on there, and that is at that connection right there. What we'll do is take a adjustable wrench, place it over where our chain connects to this screw bolt here, and we'll take a 1/2 inch or a 13 millimeter and loosen this nut here. Why that's loose, now we continue to hold this and we tighten this screw here, and this nut, and that will tighten up our chain. They tend to stretch a little bit over time. Okay, so now the chain still has a little bit of slack in there. You do not want it too tight. That's not good for the motor there. It is not hanging down below like it was earlier. Our chain is all straight. And so now what we're going to do is hold this right here with our adjustable wrench, and then go ahead and tighten this nut up here until it's tight.